Hi everyone, this is Bob Cozzi, and I've got a lot of questions about SQL iQuery's ability to generate Excel and an advanced feature that it has, which we call print after and print before. If you add a statement in your SQL iQuery script, like I've done here, where I say print and then either before or after, and then the starting column number in the Excel, then a comma, then the data you'd like to put into the Excel in that column or cell, and then you can follow that by another value and another value and another value all the way across the row if you'd like. So a lot of people like to put some kind of a code like a program name or a data name or something like that attribute in that first column and cell A1 in the Excel spreadsheet. So here what I've done is I put THX1138 and my company name. And then I've got a bunch of other stuff in here already written up that's called print after. And what this does is it appears after the data set in the Excel. So the print before appears above the data. Print after appears after the data. So let's go ahead and add some stuff to the second print after. Now each print after or print before is on a separate row. So in this case, we have 3 print afters, so we're going to have 3 rows of data. The first one has a cell that says nothing to see here, and then wrap parameter, and then some text. The third one down has some data starting in the third column. It says hello world, and then I've added some Excel styles to it where it's going to be right justified. The font's going to be 18. It's going to span 2 columns, and I'm doing it at a 45-degree angle. Then the rest of it is just saying, I'll put it to Excel if I don't specify an output format and email it to me. So let's go ahead and run this. Let's switch over to the green screen now, and we're going to run the run iQuery command specifying the source member and source file where this iQuery script is stored. So let's go ahead and run that. And it produced a 12-row Excel file. So now I just need to go to my email, since it was emailed to me, and bring it in. Let's look at that. All right, we received the email pretty quick. Let's double click on the Excel file. Click that alert that says, do you want to open it? Yes, we want to open it. And here it is. Let's take a look at it. In cell A1, we have the THX1138. In B1, we have the company name that we inserted. Then we have the data set itself. And then following the data set, we have the print after content, which is nothing to see here, and the lyrics from the Billy Joel song. The next line, we have the same stuff. We've got a little bit of formatting on the SQL iQuery text like we put into the script itself. Then we have the hello world over there in column C15 or no, C18. Now over here in D18, we've got that text that we put at 45 degrees. So in order to see it, I've got to expand the height of the row. And as we expand it, we can see the entire IBM I Power 9 text just as we wanted it to appear in an 18-point font at 45 degrees. This is great for column headings and other silly things that you want to put in your Excel file. Now let's look at these side by side. I've put the Excel file on the right and the original iQuery script on the left. And you can see the print after statements and the content in the spreadsheet, how it relates to the actual iQuery script statements. Everything is pretty clear, pretty simple, so I think you'll get a lot out of it, and give it a try. Download SQL iQuery today from www.sqliquery.com.